Welcome to Classic Cars Click, the place where classic cars live on and history keeps rolling down the road. We're here to bring you the best in automotive history, restorations, reviews, and the sound of engines roaring. And enjoy. Number 1. Brimming with vintage muscle and street-ready upgrades. This 1983 Chevrolet El Camino SS is offered at $4,500 in Yukon, Oklahoma. Under the hood sits a 305 V8 paired with a 700R automatic transmission, enhanced with a new true dual exhaust, JEGS intake, and updated plugs, wires, and distributor. It rides smooth on like new wheels and tires, making it a great daily cruiser or weekend fun car. With its blend of utility and muscle car attitude, this classic is ready for action, and the seller is open to trade offers, adding flexibility for the right enthusiast to take it home. Number 2. A hidden gem from Mercury's golden years. This rare 1965 Mercury is available for $8,200 in San Antonio, Texas. Though the exact model isn't specified, it showcases a clean white exterior paired with a blue interior, and its body appears well preserved. The car is in very good condition overall and comes with a clear title in hand. Equipped with an automatic transmission, it offers an easy, nostalgic driving experience for any classic enthusiast. With its distinctive styling and limited availability, this Mercury is a unique opportunity to own a standout piece of 1960s automotive history. Turn it on. Number 3. This 1972 Dodge Coronet, priced at $6,500 in Jacksonville, Florida, offers a great mix of classic charm and practicality. Powered by a 318 V8 engine with automatic transmission, it features power steering, power brakes, and working air conditioning. The car retains its factory AM radio, adding to its nostalgic appeal. Recent upgrades include new calipers, wheel cylinders, and 255/60/15 tires. The original vinyl top was replaced with bedliner coating to prevent rust. And while small rust spots are present behind the rear tires, the floor and trunk pans are solid. This Coronet is ready to drive and comes with a clean title. Number 4. This 1985 Cadillac DeVille Coupe, priced at $500 in Pipe Creek, Texas, combines classic luxury with modern mechanical updates. It features a newly installed engine, a new AC system, exhaust, tires, and a working air ride suspension, ensuring a smooth and comfortable drive. Powered by an automatic transmission, all electric features including windows, seats, and locks are in good working order. While the front seats show some wear, the rest of the interior remains in excellent condition. The car comes with documentation of the engine replacement, making a reliable and stylish cruiser ready for the road. Number 5. This 1979 Lincoln Continental, priced at $5,499 in St. John's, Florida, comes with plenty of character and recent mechanical updates, including a new gas tank, carburetor, radiator, and alternator. Equipped with an automatic transmission, it offers a smooth driving experience, despite needing attention to the power windows and seats. The 8-track player and radio are in working condition, adding a nostalgic touch to the interior. The car still rides smoothly and offers great potential for someone looking for a classic luxury sedan. With some TLC, this Continental could become a standout with its spacious interior and vintage appeal. Number 6. This 1966 Chevrolet Corvair, priced at $4,400 in Des Plaines, Illinois, is a standout survivor. Having been parked in a garage since 1975, it underwent a thorough mechanical refresh. Equipped with a manual transmission, it offers a classic driving experience. Recent updates include a rebuilt fuel system with an electric pump, refresh brakes with a dual master cylinder, and overhauled carbs. The car runs great and could easily serve as a daily driver. While the paint remains original, it will need new tires, but the clean title and strong mechanical condition make this Corvair an appealing option for any classic car enthusiast. Number 7. This 1964 Pontiac Catalina, priced at $8,000 in Orlando, Florida, is a timeless and highly original classic with just 57,000 miles and only 2 previous owners. Powered by a V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission, it remains 95% original and comes with a factory invoice and a clean title. Recent extensive maintenance includes new fuel and water pumps, an oil and filter change, new fuel hoses, a battery, and a carburetor rebuild. Though it sat and used for decades, it is now fully functional and maintained bi-weekly. This well-preserved full-size classic is ready to be driven or displayed, offering both history and reliability. Number 8. This 1979 Cadillac Cordoba, priced at $5,200 in Fellsmere, Florida, is a classic cruiser that's road-ready and reported to run and drive well, with all features functioning properly. With just under 98,000 miles, it offers vintage Cadillac charm at a budget-friendly price. While the interior details weren't listed, the white exterior suggests a clean, elegant presence on the road. Powered by an automatic transmission, it ensures a smooth, effortless driving experience. Priced at $1,200 or best offer, this Cadillac could be a fantastic entry into the world of big-body American classics. Number 9. This 1972 Chevrolet Suburban, priced at $6,500 in Sand Springs, Oklahoma, is a strong contender for a vintage restoration project. It features a 350 engine and automatic transmission, paired with dual exhaust and Flowmasters. With just 300 miles on many new parts, including brakes, fuel sender, distributor, alternator, and more, it's a solid running and driving project. Rust repair has already begun with new sheet metal, and extras like trim, vent windows, and headliner panels are included. The clean title is in hand, making this Suburban a perfect project for a hands-on enthusiast looking to restore a classic. Number 10. This 1984 Cadillac Eldorado Biarritz, priced at $5,000 in Fort Worth, Texas, offers style and attitude with its gray exterior and plush burgundy interior. The sunroof works, the original grille is intact, and it features new weather stripping along with fully functional power accessories, including windows, seats, and trunk. Equipped with an automatic transmission, it delivers a smooth and effortless driving experience. The body is solid and dent-free, with no missing interior wood grain. Driven 108,000 miles and well-preserved, this coupe is a bold statement of 80s Cadillac luxury, ready for a new garage or trade. Number 11. This 1968 Ford Galaxie XL 500 convertible, priced at $5,500 in Martin, Tennessee, is a full-size classic with plenty of potential. Powered by a big block 390 V8 and equipped with an automatic transmission, it also features power steering and factory air conditioning. While it runs and drives, the seller recommends trailering it due to some ongoing needs like an exhaust leak and rust in the trunk and quarter panels. Recent maintenance includes a new fuel tank, tune-up, exhaust work, and brake repairs. This titled, mostly complete project is ready for the next step in restoration, offering a solid base for a future classic cruiser. Number 12. This 1965 Dodge Dart 270, priced at $2,500 in Boonville, Mississippi, offers an affordable entry into classic muscle car ownership. Powered by a V8 engine and paired with an automatic transmission, it features a solid body and original factory air conditioning. While the engine runs well, it requires a new fuel pump to be roadworthy again. With only 2 previous owners and 74,523 miles, it's a well-preserved classic with plenty of new parts included. This Dart is a perfect project car for someone looking to restore it on a budget, offering a solid foundation for a full revival. Number 13. This 1985 Dodge D150 short bed, priced at $5,500 in Athens, Georgia, offers a solid foundation for a project truck. Powered by its original 318 engine, which has undergone a full rebuild, and paired with an automatic transmission, it runs strong and requires just a paint job to be restored to its former glory. The interior is in mint condition, with both AC and heat fully operational. As a one-owner truck, it's a great opportunity for a flip or a keeper. This classic Dodge D150 is an affordable and straightforward way to dive into the world of vintage trucks. Number 14. This 1978 Chevrolet El Camino, priced at $4,950 in Austin, Texas, is a rare one-owner find. Factory ordered with a 350 V8 engine and a 700 R4 automatic transmission. It's never been in a wreck and still runs and drives smoothly. The vehicle has undergone several recent upgrades, including a $500 new carburetor, fresh wiring, a new battery, and fully functional power windows and locks. While the only rust is located under the back window, all trim is included. Although the gauge cluster is not working, the car's originality and setup offer great potential for restoration or customization, making it a valuable project for enthusiasts. Number 15. This 1969 Ford Torino GT, priced at $5,500 in Limestone, Tennessee, brings muscle car appeal with its 351 Windsor engine and automatic transmission. Stored in a Georgia barn for 37 years, it runs, drives, and stops thanks to recent brake work. Currently pulling fuel from a trunk-mounted fuel cell, it does show some rust, though it's not structural. Floor and trunk patches have already been done, and with power steering, this classic is ready for restoration. The clean title makes it a great project for an enthusiast looking to bring this red Torino back to life. That's it for today. If you love classic cars as much as we do, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you in the next video. Keep the engine running, keep the wheels turning, and keep the classic cars alive, because legends never die. See you soon.